Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video, and kindly of course open account in IC Markets using the link provided in the description below of this video to receive, or actually to achieve, the best results in your trading on your forex trading, especially of course if you are a scalper like me. So actually guys, I have opened this trade and it was really one winning trade so far and very trusted. I just wanted to share with you the reason of opening this trade. So first of all, if we look right here at the pound JPY, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly that we are having right here, of course, again on the 4-hour time frame, we do have right here of course a support number 1. And right now the market is falling all the way right here to reach the same level of the support number 2. It will of course create here the second attempt of the support. Now, of course, we are not sure if the market will continue rising or will continue the fall. What we are certainly sure about is that the market is going to make a pullback upon the pressure from this level of the support. And of course, this was the first touch of that level. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Moving to the 5-minute time frame. Check this out. Right here, based on the 5-minute time frame, this is the 5-minute time frame. This is the first attempt of the market to reach that level, and look at that, the candle is rising. The candle is actually reversing upon the pressure from that level of support. So this is of course support number 2, as I told you about. Now of course, another reason to confirm this trade is by simply go back to the 4-hour time frame, and what we can see right here, let me just show it to you. A support trend line. As you can see right here, we're having here support trend line, and as you can see, the market indeed guys respected that level of a support trend line repeatedly, and right now we can see that it's actually coming across that support number 1, and right here is reversing exactly on the second attempt of the support. Another way to confirm this, if I'm not mistaken, if we here draw a support trend line, as you can see right here, we do have here also a support, a key support trend line, and all I need to do is simply draw here the support trend line, as you can see, just like that. So right now, let me just make it more accurate, exactly just like that. Perfect. Oops. Perfect. Now we can see clearly that we had right here a level of a support trend line number 1, 2, 3, and finally we are having here the fake breakout from that level. And if I zoom in again, we can notice that the market is actually crossing the same level of a support trend line. So this was right here a support trend line number 2. Of course, those 2 attempts were actually support trend line number 1. So all of that together tells me that this is going to be a good deal. But let's just be honest. The main reason of opening this trade was actually right here. Based on the 4-hour time frame, this level of the support, as you can see right here, most likely it will be respected again. And based on my support and resistance principles and understanding, this is the best level to start buying the market. So back to the 5-minute time frame, we have opened our trade absolutely at the best level possible, at the lowest level where the market has ever reached to. So therefore, my take profit level has got to be placed somewhere right here. This is of course the nearest support to my entry. So this is the new support, and this is of course the nearest support to my entry. Therefore, my take profit level has got to be placed exactly right here. Meanwhile, the stop loss has actually been placed to be equivalent to the take profit level. So my risk to reward ratio is 50-50. So aiming $133 of profit, stop loss. I mean, not aiming, but I mean our stop loss is going to be $133, and our profit also same, exactly 133. So far it's running well. Actually, I'm considering to close it, but still the profit is small, and this setup is just really perfect. We might actually keep it running more than that. We can actually aim more than $100 on this trade. Anyway, let me know, please, guys. Pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright guys, so this trade is running so well so far. $90, $100 of profit, $100. Get it. I'm done. $100 profit from this reversal. I mean, that was really amazing. We have made $100 in a matter of no time, aiming that reversal point from the pound JPY. Now guys, I don't care what will happen later. Maybe the market will continue to rise, maybe it will continue to fall. I don't care, as long as I have got out with the profits that I'm seeking. Just looking for the pullback from the reversal, actually the pullback of the from the pressure of the support right here. Don't ever underestimate that level of a support. It can always provide you with the best reversal points. Let's now guys move to somewhere else and let's try to find another setup. Look at that. Now the market is falling, so I believe I have gotten out with the in the perfect time actually. Now since we are not going to trade the pound JPY anymore, I'm going to increase the lot size to be 1.1. Let's go a little bit higher. Trading with more than one lot size on the pound JPY is a bit risky, and that's why of course I have to reduce the lot size. Anyway, 30-minute time frame. All right, my friends, just to save your time. Wait a minute. I have something here. I have drawn this line before on the CAD JPY. Why did I draw this line here before? Let me just look at the left side. It's not really the best level. Should be here. Why the line was there? The reversal has almost happened. Wow. Okay, I think we have missed here one setup. Anyway, just to save your time, my friends, let me know, please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later once I find the next trade. Pound AUD is showing us something very interesting, and I think I cannot just simply ignore it. I have to do something right now. I think I'm going to place now the buy order, and of course I will explain to you later, guys, the reason behind of this trade. Yes, I think this is the best time. I'm a bit late. I'm a little bit late. Let's see, hopefully it will be fine. 100, 105, 130, 140. All right, 140. Okay, so let me know, please, guys, explain to you the reason behind of this trade. Now, first of all, if we look right here at the 4-hour time frame, that price action right here is very promising for the bullish reversal. Now remember that we are having right here a support number 1, and right here the market has already created here a support number 2. It has already been created. That means that we can actually place our buy order based on the continuation of the creating of the support number 2. So again, based on the 4-hour time frame, this trade seems to be valid. Moving now to the 15-minute time frame. Now actually on the 15-minute time frame, we have here a winner pattern, which is inverted head and shoulders. Yes, my friends, those patterns are so reliable, even if you notice them on the smaller time frames such as 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, you name it. These patterns are always the winners, and most likely they will actually succeed. Now, as long as we are actually on the 4-hour time frame on a support level, that means that based on the 15-minute time frame, we should actually see here a pattern like that, and we can place our trade accordingly as long as we are actually on the support right here, which has been just created. The support has already been created right here. That tail right here represents the completing of the pattern of the inverted head and shoulders. That's the reason I had to place here my buy order. And as you can see, of course, due to the spread, the market, the trade has been opened right here. Notice, by the way, guys, that the pound AUD has the highest spread in entire market in IC markets. Anyway, take profit level has been placed right here because this is the nearest support to my entry, but actually this is not the right place, to be honest. We can place it right here actually because this is the nearest resistance to my entry, and the stop loss has been placed to be right here, equivalent to the take profit level. So meaning we are actually aiming $100 of profit, and the stop loss is going to be 105. Anyway, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will going to happen with this trade. Okay, my friends, so actually we are having here another good setup on the EURUSD 0.80 lot size because I'm already on another trade. And let me just now place my stop loss and my take profit level to be right here at the nearest support. Okay, so let me now explain to you the reason behind of this trade. Now, first of all, right here we can see that the market has already been reversing based, of course, on the 1 hour time frame. We are having here, of course, a real level of a resistance, and the market now has reversed exactly on that level. Now as you can see, the red candle has appeared right here. Now what we need to find is another sign that tells us that this is going to be a good reversal point. Do you guys remember the video that I have uploaded yesterday talking about the best forex setup? I'm sure many of you have watched that video. Look at that. Look at that. That is, my friends, one of the perfect setups in forex. If you have ever found a real level of a resistance trend line with 2 attempts at least, and right here we are having a fake breakout from that level, always look for the same level of a real resistance trend line again and place your sell order accordingly. Most likely this is going to be the best reversal point, and for that reason I have opened my trade aiming at least the nearest support to our entry, which is right here. Now let's be honest here. There is no way that this is going to work every single time. Some days, of course, it will not work. Sometimes it will fail, and we are just hoping that this is not going to be one of them. This is so far seems to be a very trusted setup, especially knowing that we are having here also a real level of a resistance, which is now being retested. Meanwhile, the pound AUD is still ranging right here. Still ranging at the entry point with a loss of $20. It's totally fine, no problem at all. We have to give the market some time to be in profit. Don't ever rush to be in profit. So let me know, please, guys. Pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these two trades. Well, so far it's not running well. We are running so far in loss of about 6 pips. Again, don't rush anything unless this candle closes. Now this candle still has about 14 minutes for the closure, as we can see right here on this indicator time. Sorry, the timer indicator. So most likely it will be a lost one, to be honest with you guys. I'm not feeling good about this trade anymore. We might lose $70 in this trade. Anyway, again, don't judge anything until the candle actually closed, and let's see now the final price action. Let me know, please, again. Pause the recording and I'll be back to you later. Okay, I give up. Unfortunately, guys, this has been a failed setup. I mean, even if the candle reversed, this setup didn't work, to be honest. It's just one of those times that the setup didn't work. And again, this is normal. You cannot expect the same setup to work every single time. If that does exist, we will all be billionaires from trading Forex. That's the reason, of course, we always trade with a smaller lot size, and we have always been prepared to the losses. And now while I'm talking, the candle is reversing. Now while I'm talking, the candle is falling down. I don't know, to be honest. Shall I keep it or not? You know what, guys? Let me increase the stop loss. Increase it to be $87. All right, that's fine. And let's just hope that this is going to be our last line of defense, exactly right here at the highest level of a resistance. I'm ready for the losses. It's okay. Even if we'll have lost this trade, we can easily recover from the pound AUD, which seems to be running well. All right, let me know again. Please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later. All right, time's up. The price action has been appeared and the candle is bullish. So $66 we have lost, guys, in this trade. My God. We have lost it, I'm sure. I mean, now it's falling back. I don't know what to do, to be honest. These are one of the times where I'm not sure if the market is tricking me or not. The candle is still seems to be bearish, but I think it's gonna continue the rise. Yeah, it's continuing with the rise. Okay, $68, and we are done with this trade. We have lost it. That's totally fine, normal, no problem. Again, guys, these are one of the times when this setup just simply doesn't work. It's normal. We have to accept it and just live with it. $68, we have lost it, so now we have to recover that amount. Back to the pound JPY. Actually, the pound JPY is still seems good, but I don't want to enter it again. That's just not professional. Let me just look at the gold. 15-minute time frame. Usually I recover my losses from the gold, but right now the gold is actually not showing us something clear. I'm not going to place here any order. Okay, guys, just to save your time again, let me please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later once I find the best trade. All right, pound NZD is actually showing us something very promising. and I'm going now to place the buy order 0.80 lot size, which is fine, and place right now the buy order. Fantastic. Risking only $70, and take profit level will be actually $125. all right, this seems to be very promising setup. Let me now explain to you the reason behind of this trade. So as you can see, first of all, my friends, based on the 15-minute time frame, we do have right here a broken level of the resistance trend line. Check this out. So a very clear level of a resistance trend line has indeed been broken out from with that bullish breakout candle. Now, to confirm if this has indeed been has indeed become a real level of a support trend line, as we can see right here, let's just extend this line or expand this line right here, just like that. And as we can see, check this out. So this right here, my friends, was indeed in the past a support trend line, which has become already a resistance trend line. And then after the bullish breakout candle appeared right here, it has been respected again as a support trend line all over the way again. Now, of course, not only that. If we look right now at the left side, however, if I just look at the left side, look at that. Right here exactly, we are having here a strong level of a horizontal support. Now, by looking at the right side, or the current time, check this out. The market has reversed exactly right here on the same level of that support. So all of that together tells us that buying the pound NZD right here is going to be the best option, since we are actually placing our trade right here on the same level of the nearest resistance, which has already become right here a new support. So therefore, I had to place here my buy order, and hopefully it's going to be a good deal. Of course, my take profit level has been placed right here at the nearest support to my entry. Since actually I have opened my trade right here on a new support, then my take profit level has got to be right here at the nearest support. And the stop loss has been placed right here for investment reason. I don't want to risk more than $70 on this trade, and I'm actually aiming $124. All right. Seems to be good the trade so far. Let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with all these trades. Alright, my friends, so thankfully we have recovered the losses from the last trade. $93 total of profit. Close it and get done with it. I'm so happy that we have been actually able to recover the losses. So 17 minutes, that's enough for the video. Guys, this is what I'm going to do from now on. I will upload every week few live trading videos showing at least 2 trades, and if I have lost any of them, I will actually recover. The reason of that, guys, is the stress is really so much on me. I mean, if I'm doing this on the live account, it's so stressful. But if you want me to do a longer version of live trading, I can do it on the demo account, not on the live account. If you're okay with that, please let me know. So actually I will do it. Actually, I can play with the demo account all day long. I can show you that we can grow the account from, I don't know, from 10,000 to 50,000 in just one single day. I can do that easily, of course, on the demo account. No problem. If you are, guys, okay with this, I can do it. Just let me know if you are ready to receive a longer versions, maybe like 40 minutes, 50 minutes of the live trading video, showing you how we can grow the accounts from 10,000 to 50,000 using my scalping strategy. If it's okay to do, of course, on the demo account. Okay, so that's it, guys. And of course, don't forget to join our VIP group of Telegram, and also don't forget to open account in IC Markets using the link provided in the description below of this video. And of course, remember that if you have opened your account under my link, I will actually be able to help and assist you if in case you had any problems in your documentations or approvals or anything at all. I can actually involve and maybe be able to help you. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.